get lucky with more than one. Let's go for that refresh. See, we need an EBT. I haven't got an EBT in a long time. Oh, okay. It's cooking. Let's go. Let's see. Crossed. Booster bundle EBT. Booster bundle EBT. Maybe a booster box. That'd be sick. Mega Evolution. Come on, baby. We need this good stuff. Come on, come on, come on. Shit, I'll take a Journey Together booster bottle. I don't even give a shit at this point. We just need something good. Come on, baby. Refresh, 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 refresh. Nothing out of here. Let's go for number 2. Come on. Come on. Damn. Oh my god. Yo. She's gonna be so mad. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, you're joking. Oh, you're joking. Oh. Oh my god. What? Yo, talk about sealed collection. Oh my god. Oh man, my son's not gonna believe this. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, we don't need the second ETB, but we need that. What? Gold vending machine gold today. Let's go. Maybe because I left the ETB, it's gonna bless us again. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Bless us is. Oh, see, it's gone now. See. Guess I should have gotten it. Oh well, I didn't want it. Holy shit. Oh my god, you guys. I got Mega, Phantasmal, Insurgent Sparks singles, 2 booster bundles of 151, and an ETB of White Flare. Hands down, the best day I've had at vending machines, and I put a booster box on Christmas Eve of Phantasmal. So this is all right, well, like, follow, comment, subscribe, whatever. I don't care. If you want to watch me rip these, stick around, because I'm so pumped right now.